And special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their 100-watt LED floodlight to unbox. Got a company name there, little sticker there. Let's open it up and show you what you get in here. Nice foam, and then the light and a little instruction guide. Tells you about the wattage as well as how you would mount and wire up this light. Set for the box, and this is essentially the light. Very nice. So you can see, you can loosen this with an Allen wrench, and you could essentially mount this to the wall and angle the light however you'd like it. And then you're able to just take your wires. You can see you got the blue, like a brownish, and a yellow wire. You would just wire these in to wherever your current light is or where your wiring runs to. And then when this light has power, you'll have 100 watts of LED floodlight power. It'll be very bright. So that should do it for this 100-watt LED floodlight unboxing. Thanks again to the company for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.